Hey guys, it's Melinda from Enchanted Bella Boutique again. I'm going to try to make this an ongoing thing. So today I have something a little bit different. I have these 3 sets of hair combs that we're going to try to make today. Basically it's going to be the same concept as the previous video, but I wanted to do it where we're using hair combs and also to give you different styles. You guys can use this with any flowers that you may have lying around. So we're going to start with this one. I have a whole bunch of them that I made. And this is how they start off. So, oh, it's blurry. You see how they come in a set of 6? So we basically just take it out one at a time. And then I like to make sure all these little sprays are in the order I want them to be. You cut the end, and then you fold them. Okay, that's all you're doing. And you're going to make sure that you have 3 of them. So I already have them cut. Then you can take basically a felt, just like this. And you want it to be the length of this strip. So I kind of just eyeball it, to be honest with you. If it comes out, it does. If it doesn't, then not a big deal. You can just cut off the excess. And that's all I'm doing. So that you'll end up with this strip. You're going to use the same type of tactic for all 3 styles. Doesn't matter what it is. And then you're going to bring it up to here so that you see it. And then you're going to cut it to the length of the hair comb. So basically, that's what you're going to have. And then, just to make it easier, I'm just going to put it over, cut it, over again, cut it to the same length, and then, just because I need an extra one, I'm going to end up doing it again. I'm going to take the hot glue gun, and you're just going to put a strip over. And the reason why I like to do it this way, instead of just plopping the flowers onto the hair comb, is because I think that it sticks better. To be honest, it just glues better, it looks better. It's just extra security. And then I'm only gluing just in the middle part. And you see this end here? I like to put this right onto the strip and then basically hold it down, so that it's tight and it sticks and it's not going anywhere. See? See how it comes out a little bit on the end? You can just push it in just a little bit. I'll show you what I do at the end. And then the same thing here. Just putting it on one side, finding the edge that you like, do it again. These are simple DIY projects. Nothing too crazy. Just works. It's a quick project. Something you can do with your older kids. They want to do their own hair accessories. And these are great for craft fairs, just letting you know. And little boutiques. And that's it. That's how it comes out. Very simple. To give it that extra security, I just end up doing one more round up on top, where I get the Velcro felt, and also the edge of the comb. And then what I do is I put one of these here just to cover it, and it makes it look nice and neat. That's it. Simple project to do. Ironically, these same combs, as quick as you see this being made, if you go to wedding, like bridal shops and whatnot, or high-end boutiques, they're charging you about $12 for this. It's insane. What I charge is $3. Really simple. It's a simple project. So, we're already at the 5-minute mark. This is another flower that I do. This is how it comes. They're individual. This is not something that comes with a pack of 3 or a pack of 6. I just rip it out. Just pop it out. Sometimes this comes loose. That's not a problem. You can choose to use this back end or not. And sometimes this middle piece comes out. You can actually make 3 different things with this one flower. Oh, come on. Okay. Same concept. Fold it. I have these already made. Well, already put together. And it's the same thing. You're basically going to glide it over. Put it on. Like I said, these are quick and easy to do. I like to kind of like press in the flower sometimes, just to make it a little bit more fuller. I should say a little bit fuller. See? That's all. And then you're going to do the same tactic. For this one, because it came off, I'm just going to put this on first. But because it's organza, the glue should, you know, come through. But as a security, I just do that as well. It's just the same concept. Again, this is repetitive. So if you want to make sure that this is going to stay, just glue the middle and then put it on. This one looked like it was going to come off, which is why I'm doing it this way. You can really put as many flowers as you want to. You don't have to use all white. Being that communion season is upon us, kind of made sense for me to do this color. And again, this ends up coming out to be the same cost, $3. Something like this, I know for a fact, will end up costing a hell of a lot more elsewhere. Same concept. Push down, make them secure. I kind of turned that one a little bit just because I liked it better with the way it looked. And then this, we're just pushing all this ends. And the same concept, you see? I'm putting it over the felt piece and then over the plastic comb. Same concept. You want to make sure you do it this way. It just looks like a finished project. I like it better. Plus you add the security to it. And that's it. You're done with that one. And then this one is... Oh, did I not take the flowers out? I did not take the flowers out. This is how this one comes. It comes like this. We're just using different tactics. And this one doesn't even want to come out. So we'll do it the easy way. We'll just clip it. Because we're going to do the same concept anyway. You're bending it. Bending it. See? Glue it. You do this enough times, it's so simple. And it's quick. It's a lot quicker. Do the same thing. Put this in the middle. You hold on to it. Put this one in the middle. Hold on to it. Same thing. And then, same concept. This one just doesn't want to cooperate a little bit. Which is good. I like when these things happen here. And I just burned myself. And that's it. Quick, easy, simple. Sometimes I like to just glue these edges so that I can make sure that they're sticking together. And then I press them against the other flower. So that I know that it's not going anywhere. Voila. Done. Simple. 3 totally different styles. And everything is done. I hope you liked it, and I hope this was easy for you.